Hello and welcome back to Budget Smartphone Review. In this video I would be doing the unboxing for Iris Win1, and I have already unboxed this handset and I'm doing it again for you all to see what all contents are available inside the box. And before looking at the contents, let's see what is mentioned on the box. It has quad-core Snapdragon processor, 4 inches WVGA LCD, 5 megapixel OV sensor cam with LED flash on the back, VGA front cam. It says it supports HD video playback, that is 720 pixels. It has Wi-Fi, 3G, 1GB RAM, 8GB ROM, and memory is expandable up to 32GB using SD card. It says it supports accelerometer, ALS, proximity sensor, GPS, assisted GPS. So let's see what all contents are available. First we will have the handset. Let's look at it a little later. And we have this flip cover. It is of very good quality. We could remove the back panel of the handset and we could fit this flip cover. And we need not stick it anywhere. It has very good quality. We will have user manual, charger, USB cable, in-ear headset, I have not tested this, but it looks but the build quality looks good. And the last thing we will have inside the box is the screen guard. One screen guard comes pre-installed. Let's look at the handset. As we see here, we already have, it might not be visible, but we already have one screen guard pre-installed. On front we will have sensors, VGA cam. Here we have the mic. On the left side we will have volume buttons, and on the right we have power button. On top we will have port for USB cable, and this is the port for 3.5 mm audio jack. Here is the speaker, and speaker quality I have tested and it is very good. And here is the 5 megapixel cam with LED flash, and this is the branding, Iris Win. Let's see what is there under the hood. One thing to notice, this is a very good quality back panel, as well as the overall build quality of this handset. It has 950 mAh battery. It supports 2 normal SIMs. Let me put it back. I have dropped this handset once, but nothing has happened and I do not see any scratches. It looks good from all the sides. That's all for now, and thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and do not forget to watch the full review for this handset, which I have already uploaded to YouTube. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. Thank you and have a nice day.